Okay, this is the new camera and I'm having a really hard time getting used to it because it's very zoomed in because of the quality. I guess to up the quality, they zoom in a little bit. So I have to like hold it so far away with my arm. So anyways, why do I look orange? That's weird. Anyways, had to film a brand, not like a brand deal, but like a brand sent me some product and I had to do some of that. So that's why I'm this. Oh, I didn't even say hi. Hi guys. So yesterday we started kitchen cabinets. We got all that plywood and we started the kitchen cabinets. So today, Dad's been working on those. I was filming the brand deal and Damien is actually home today. It's a PA day or like a teacher's day where they get off, I guess, so the teachers can do prep work and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm actually headed off. I dropped Damien with Dad. He's just gonna watch some TV and stuff. But I'm headed to Canadian Tire because I'm going to get Kyle's Christmas gift while Kyle is not home. So they happen to have a workout bench on sale because it's Black Friday and it's about half the cost. So I'm going to get that. Plus I have what's called Canadian Tire money. They, for years and years and years, well, as long as I've been alive, I think, they've given money back in their own type of money. So it's called Canadian Tire money. You used to get actual physical bill money. Now they just have a card that they give you money back, and I don't think they quite give you as much. But I think I have like $50 saved up too on that. And when I used to go to college and I was driving every day, I would get Canadian Tire gas. So you would get money for gas as well. So I used to rack up like $100 in no time. Now I don't drive as much to a Canadian Tire gas, so I don't get as much money. But I do have, I think, $50 saved up. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that quickly. Well, Damien's not with me and Dad is at home. It also was Sophia's birthday on November 22nd. So she comes home today and we're gonna do a cake and stuff like that. And yeah, so we're gonna go make a cake when I get home. Me and Jude can make that and work on some kitchen cabinets. And tomorrow is Santa Day that we always go to, and then the next day is Bibba Girl's birthday. So it's a busy weekend. All right, we're at Canadian Tire. Let's go get this bench. All right, I am home. I didn't film after I got a Canadian Tire. I got distracted. But I also got a couple totes that we've been needing to clean up the basement. And I got this for Sophia for her birthday. And then I also went to my mom's work, the thrift store, and I got a nice sweater dress thing for leggings. I will show you the bench when I get to Mom and Dad's. I'm gonna leave it there until Christmas so that he doesn't find it. But basically, I'm just making some breakfast because I have not eaten yet and I'm starving, and it is now 12:30. So yeah, hungry. Gotta eat something before I go over to Mom and Dad's. So this is the bench I got. So the back is adjustable. It was only 99 bucks, so that's awesome. Okay, so I'm off to Mom and Dad's and I'm changed into my work clothes. Had a bite to eat. And now I'm gonna have to probably throw the cake in first before I start downstairs so that I'm not all dusty and everything. Maybe Damien will wanna help me with that. And yeah. Therethere's this sweet older lady. Her name's Evelyn. Oh my God. We call her the queen. She's so sweet. She for some reason, she loves me, but She's just so nice. Her husband passed away, I guess, a little while ago. They actually built a house too, and he passed away like 6 months after they finished. So, just super sweet lady. So that's just who I was waving to. But okay, we're here. Let's unload. Okay, I'm at Mom and Dad's. They are actually getting their dishwasher replaced. Samsung's dishwasher crapped out, so they replaced it. What?
I'm just not trying to say it.
Oh. Anyways, so they just dropped off another one because they wouldn't even come fix it or look at it. So they just send out new product nowadays. Anyways, so I am going to... Damien, you want to help me make a cake?
Oh, not the rainbow.
What do you mean not the rainbow? That's what she wants. It's for Sophia. Alright, the cake is done. So we just went downstairs before it finished. So we're working on stuff down there.
We gotta clean it all up. And then we're gonna have to set up the big radio arm.
Keep going. Yep. Carry on.
Let me get my case on it. Anyways, yeah, so we gotta get it all cleaned up. We can set the cabinets up over here if you want.
Okay.
Come on.
What? Carry on.
You want a kitchen built or not?
Yes, carry on.
Anyways, we gotta get them all, we'll put them all in order.
In order of the island or
No,
just
the cabinets,
together?
I keep them all
Yeah.
together. We'll stack them up there, then we'll bring in 1/4 sheet. You know what we do? We rip the big one first, the thick 5/8 stuff.
Oh.
That's pretty thick. I only go 1/2 inch usually, but anyways, it don't matter.
Okay.
So then we'll rip the strips out of the big sheet, for the backings, then we can start really concentrating on the back panel of the cabinet, the quarter ship, and then
Put them
I don't know,
together.
maybe we can assemble them tomorrow, or no,
Not tomorrow.
damn
Next
Santa.
week.
I hate that Santa guy.
Whoa! What? There, take the chow. Oh! You're dropping.
You never do, dude.
Sarah, be careful. Oh, what the heck?
What is that?
Turn it around.
Huh?
Turn it around.
Oh,
Okay,
It's
somebody
almost
explain
like
it.
it looks like your mermaid one, but it's a different one.
remember how we put the mermaid in the bath or whatever it was, and
It came out of colors?
yeah, same thing.
Well, I don't think this one's a bath thing.
No, probably not.
This one's a winter one.
Want to help?
Somebody gonna explain it to the
Here,
little
let me
6-year-old?
help.
It's a surprise. What's inside? You don't know what one you
Right
get.
there.
Oh,
Hold on for you?
Read it, read
Keep my
it
blanket
first.
warm for me, buddy.
Look for.
I think the mask comes off. Take the thing, the top off, Sophia. Yep.
Is she pretty?
ah.
Yeah. And the mitts come off.
Whoa, we
Let's
can't.
see.
You forgot the hood.
Cool.
Your hat,
And then,
whatever.
Damien, Pat, bring me those.
Yeah. Okay.
In here,
There's tons of them. Like,
in here, there's like her boots.
Yeah.
look at her hair.
Oh, there's the boots.
Cool, huh?
Oh, and there it feels like it's
You like it?
this guy, I guess.
Ta.
Oh, there's the
You gotta be
comb.
nice with her hair, though.
I know.
And this one here is. Oh, this one here is that one. That one.
Daddy, look at her hair. She said, "Want to brush her hair?" Kind of.
Oh, and the coat flips inside out. That's cool.
Oh.
They make Barbies with clothes on now.
What's up, clothes on?
Sid, do you want to
No, like plastic, like.
Barbies are like naked.
have part?
Like if you take all the
Oh,
clothes
Matthew's disappointed. I
Maybe she's in
see.
the gr-
Oh, whatever.
My hands are smaller. My hands are. Look how big they're getting. Oh my God. Daddy, look how big my hands are compared to Damien's. Super close.
Here, Sophia. So I didn't wrap it.
Yep, let me know.
I didn't have wrapping paper. So.
Go do it on the table
Yeah,
so I can see you.
Oh, let's see what it is. Oh, that's my favorite game. Can you hold the box, please? No. Well, that's my favorite.
Kerplunk. Remember that one?
Oh, I remember that. Did anyone play it?
Damien, where do you play that game?
I played it at Granddad's.
And where else?
Even at my
Hey,
marbles.
we're not gonna hold back. I tried to say it. I just trying to say it.
Someone's gonna be busy for a while.
Matthew!
Is there a parent in the house?
Okay. What's picked it up already?
Oh, you did?
No, Matthew, you're not looking for more Barbies. You're looking for marbles.
No.
Are you out picking up Barbies?
Matthew,
Put the Barbie down on the free
did you lose your
walls.
marbles?
Oh, I'm sorry.